Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and today we have a short flow for the glutes. You won't need any equipment and it's suitable for all levels. Start side lying on your right side. Extend out your right arm, knees bent up, left hand supporting. Feet are in line with the bum and the shoulders. Feet are together. Bring your head into your right hand without collapsing into your shoulders and find length through both sides of the waist. Lift both feet and open and close the top knee for clam. Exhale to lift, inhale to lower. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's go for a double pulse up and down. Exhale twice like you're blowing out a candle and inhale to lower with resistance. Point the toes. Try to isolate the movement to the lower body so the upper body isn't moving with you. Now keep the bottom foot lifted, connect top knee to bottom knee and then top toes to bottom toes, internally and externally rotating the top hip. Again, try to isolate this movement to the lower body, maintaining length in both sides of the waist and keeping the hips stacked and the shoulders stacked. Come back to the open clam shape. Exhale to lengthen the top leg to the sky. Inhale to open clam. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend in. Stretch the back of the knee as you extend. Find an open diamond as you bend the knee back in. Point the toes and maintain the stacking of the hips. Now flex the feet, connect the heels. Pulse the top knee up for a count of 16, blowing out the candle with every pulse. This should really warm the adductor and glute muscles. Great job on this side. Sit up and hug your left leg in to stretch your left bum muscles. Now, we can't just have one juicy glute, so we do have to do it on the other side. Let's get to it. Start side lying on your left side this time. Extend out your left arm, knees bent up, right hand supporting. Feet are in line with the bum and the shoulders. Bring your head into your left hand without collapsing into your shoulders. Find length through both sides of the waist. And let's go. Lift both feet open and close. Exhale, lift and inhale to lower. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's find that double pulse up. So, and down. Exhale, exhale, inhale. 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant job. Now connect knee to knee and toe to toe. Knee to knee, toe to toe, maintaining the stacking of the hips and the shoulders and trying to keep the upper body as still as possible, supported by that right hand. Couple more here. Nice job. Now come back to the open clam shape. Exhale to lengthen the top leg to the sky. Inhale to connect the toes. Lengthen and connect. Lengthen and connect. 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, stretch through the back of the knee. And 1. Beautiful job. Now connect the heels, flex the feet, pulse the top knee up for a count of 16. You got 8 more here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Bring the knees down. Hug your leg in, stretching the bum muscles on this side. Take a deep breath in and a slow, long, deep breath out. Come down to your back, feet planted, and you should be able to brush your heels with your fingertips. The knees are facing up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, slowly roll your spine and hips up to a glute bridge. Inhale at the top. Exhale, slowly roll down, vertebrae by vertebrae, continually tucking and retucking the hips under. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, one long, slow breath to roll back up. Inhale at the top. Squeeze the inner thighs magnetically towards each other and exhale to lower back down. Twice more, maybe closing the eyes to focus on the rolling sensation and each vertebra taking their turn to roll up or down. Think about the knees not splaying out and stamping down into all four corners of your feet. Next time you roll up, stay up. We're going to take small pulses up to the sky, squeezing your glutes, stamping down into all four corners of the feet. Give me a little exhale every time you pulse up, like you're blowing out the candles on your birthday cake. Now let's take alternate heel lifts, lifting right heel, swapping to left heel, right, left. Keeping the hip points at the same level so the body doesn't tip side to side. This will challenge your stability. Stay high on your high heels now and open and close the knees. This will work your inner thigh muscles as well as your juicy glutes. Keep the hip points high, but avoid arching through the spine. Exhale out, inhale in, like you're squeezing an imaginary ball between your legs. Finally, bring the knees in and bring the heels down. Right foot lifts off and bring right knee into the chest without disturbing the alignment of the rest of the body. Inhale to lower. Exhale, lift left knee into the chest. This exercise is slow and controlled. If you can't find control, stick with the alternate heel lifting we did earlier, as this is the progression of that exercise. The most important factor here is keeping the hip points level, and this is usually most challenged when bringing the foot back down. So see if you can slow it down. Give the hips one last little lift and hold, and slowly come down with control, vertebrae by vertebrae. Well done! Squeeze the knees into the chest. Give yourself a hug. Well done. I'll see you when you're next ready to move. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. Every little bit helps, and I'll see you soon.